Went ahead and shaved everything down on the frame on the GMC. So it starts all the way from the back. Right here, I went ahead and drilled a hole, and this is where it kind of, that's where the crack is. And the way I got into this tight ass squeeze was this 90-degree drill. This came in really handy. I've had this for a while and never got rid of it. So with that, I didn't have a mirror small enough to get in here, so I had to use my phone and, you know, reverse image, and had my phone like this, and, you know, had to kind of, you know, play the guessing game where the crack was at first, and then went ahead and stuck my head as much as I can in this area to get in there, and got it right on the mark. Well, you know, I had a wire brush and tried my best to clean all the debris off and corrosion. So I'm gonna try my best to get my my MIG welder in. Can't use the TIG because it doesn't reach all the way over here. And I have a lot of shit in the garage. So go ahead and I'm gonna preheat it first with the torch. And, you know, just close it up. See how that goes.